Hello everybody, welcome back here to another video of Rule 1 Model Railways. Thank you very much for joining us. This is just a quick update and I'm going to share some videos from other channels as well. Now, recently today, I received these. See that there? That's a DR5088RC. I got two of them. Now, instead of having 6 for 8 boards on my layout, we're going to have 8, one per board on the layout. So we're going to be doing a little bit of rewiring shortly in the future. The reason for that is I just don't like having some of my boards dependent on the board next to them on the layout. It just leaves things to go wrong, even though it's running nicely and reliably. I can't quite trust it yet, even though it works. It might sound like a strange thing, but for ease of fixing things when they go wrong, having say 8 to 12 wires going across a baseboard joint through a couple of connectors compared to just 2, that gives you some idea why we're doing that. So they've arrived. They come from Model Band Lippi. That's a German shop there in the southeast of Germany. Very good shop, well worth looking at. My other updates, I just want to show you some channels really. So this is one that I think gets underlooked an awful lot, and I think should have a lot more recognition than it actually does. And I'm going to drag this across onto the screen now. Sheedy, and he has Wickford N gauge layout. We're going to open that one. Just watch a couple of clips. There we go. So you see there's a magnificent viaduct there, and his whole layout is just like this. Check out the valley and the details at the bottom of it. It's incredible. Got the canoe in the bottom, and then all the rocks, different colour rocks everywhere. The rock faces are done incredibly well. The track weathering is amazing. Recently you see the MGS sign, I think he's been printing those out recently, or at least having them made up. They're a new addition. This is Seaside Station. Reminds me of Dawlish. Very well there. There you go, look at that Turbo Star running session this is. All you're going to see is Turbo Stars, but he has a lot of stock to watch. It's a channel that you should go and have a look at. I'll leave a link in the description below for all the channels that I feature today. Now, we're going to look at the next one. This is another channel that should probably get more of a mention. I have featured this one before, but Great Delton have just received a massive load of stock, new stock that they got sent in, so I'll just show you the video there. See, I've already been watching it. And all these videos I'm showing you are layouts that are similar to mine in that they are the same era and British mainline. So if you like my channel, you're going to like theirs. Daniel's layout there at Great Delton. Again, some great detail has been put into the scenery on this one. These corners are also super elevated, and they look all the better for it. I must admit I do quite like the zoomed in shots there, they are good. These retail parks coming along really nicely too. That gap in the scenery you saw a moment ago was for a bridge. There's going to be a road bridge on that. Now, I know Daniel a little while ago bought some different lamps because he was having issues with the refresh rate on the camera with the lamps causing it to flicker. So now he has new lamps. We're getting some amazing footage, as you can see. Well worth tuning in for. Again, I'm going to leave another link in the description below. Now, one more channel going to feature today. Tried Parkway. Again, if you like this channel, you're going to like that channel. Absolutely amazing work he's been doing. See there, he's just received some Revolution car container wagons.
Hello and welcome to Parkway. I'm Jeff and this is my loft layout. It's quite a large layout. If it's the first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to follow along on the journey. And to all my new and old subscribers, welcome and a massive thank you.
You can see there, absolutely great detail. I love the way we have different heights where the tracks are. I think that looks brilliant. And then you've got two tracks there going between the different levels.
Here, things are not great. Career and travel is not panning out.
This video is showing you how to do scenery. Amazing. I've got his static applicator there.
In each job,
There you are. Absolutely brilliant to give you all of the insights to how to complete what he has. Step by step as well. Really well worth the watch. So I'll leave a link in the description below for that channel too. But that's about it what I have for you this evening. If you enjoyed the video, thank you very much. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.